everyone, this is Camille. Welcome back to our channel Try to DIY, and today we're gonna do that. So today in this video I'm very excited to show you how to make a pendant light, very high-end looking, only with paper mache. Usually if you're looking for that kind of pendant light, you can find some very large one, but also very expensive. Like I found some for $600, which is crazy. Mine only cost me what, $10? It's only made with paper, so all the material is super easy for everyone to find, and it's not that hard to make. All right, let me show you how I made that pendant light. "90% of what you need to realize that project is paper. Cut it as small as possible to make the next step easier." Pour warm water over the paper and let it sit for a few hours until the texture looks like this. I used an old blender to break the fiber of the paper, but you can also do it by hand, which will obviously take a little bit longer, but it's totally doable. The paper should be moist but not too wet, so to fix that I'm going to slightly wring out the paper dough in tights. Now this is a perfect texture to add the glue. And what I'm adding is white PVA glue. Unfortunately, I can't give you any exact measurements as I'm adding a certain amount by instinct, but keep in mind that all your paper dough should be mixed with glue and the texture should be holding together. I'm using a yoga ball as a support to create a large pendant light. I'm putting plastic wrap all around the ball to make it easier to demold it later. Be patient for that step because it will take at least a week to fully dry it. And if, like me, you're a little bit impatient, you can definitely speed up the process by using an air dryer. It doesn't look like it, but once it's really dry, it's really sturdy. I'm applying a primer on the inside to make the color more vibrant. I'm using a hole saw to create an opening in the middle. And finally, I'm using the black Hemma cord set from Ikea to complete this pendant light. As this is paper, be careful to not use a light bulb that is producing heat. You can instead use LEDs, they are perfect. I made other projects using the same technique, and instead of a yoga ball, you can use a large ball to create smaller lights fixture. Alright, and that's the end for this project, and literally the possibilities are endless in terms of colors, shapes and sizes, so have fun, make your own high-end looking pendant light for only $10. Of course, if you like this video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up, a comment, share with your friends and family, and please subscribe. Thank you very much, and we'll see you for the next project. Bye!